I was gonna wait for the guitar solo. All right, welcome back, everyone. Excuse me. BlackBerry kind of still interesting. Had an ugly afternoon after that breakout at 875. Went as high as 970, but then faded all afternoon. Definitely still in play. Something you got to remember, and I talked about this on the Steady Trade team a lot yesterday. This thing spiked $1 a share after it broke 875, which you got to remember, it's a 500 million float stock. It's a real stock. Actually, I was talking, as always, check out the Steady Trade team. I was talking in chat this morning, kind of that delineation between, a real stock, a real company like BlackBerry with 500 million float versus, an ears. What was the float on ears? 1 million or something? Yeah, 1.5 million. So that might be, I always talk about getting 1% better. That might be your main takeaway. Put that on your sticky note for the day. You got to have different goals and different expectations for a complete joke like ears, okay? A 1 million float joke versus a 500 million float, real company. I mean, listen, I know it's fun to pick on BlackBerry as I stream to you on my iPhone, but you just got to treat stocks differently. And I admit, I thought this could do 10. It hit 970. I mean, it's close, but I had higher expectations for BlackBerry, but maybe that was a little bit of a mistake on my side too. Not looking at that $1 a share post entry. So just keep that in mind. NAOV, today's POS. So let's break it down. NAOV, 4 million float, traded 11 million shares. Bing, 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 bing. Already, we got a. Oops, let me get going here. Market prep, and it is the 2nd. It's almost Christmas. So let's break down NAOV. Low float. Great volume. Rotated 2x already at 8:30 a.m. What's our long-term chart look like? Disaster, but does have a history of spiking. A lot of one and dones. So NAOV chart, a disaster, but does have a history of running. Though every run is a one and done. What is our sector? EuroShield device. Oh, God, what's this? Oh, no. What is this thing? Oh, so it's not hot sector. I'll tell you that right off the bat. Therapeutic waves in motion. Ultrasound device. It's a magical sound device that fixes your UTI. So, all right. So, magical sound device that clears your UTI. Suggestion: buy some cranberry juice. $530,000 in revenue. Great, awesome. Let me guess. They lost $10 million last year. Let me guess. $4 million. Well, I was close. Now, here is where we get into the secret sauce. Okay? Now, what is the secret sauce? What do you guys think is... So you can tell I'm very, very skeptical in AOV. What's going to change my mind? Let's all... Come with me, my friends. Come with me, my friends. And let's head over to Twitter. Let's go to where the dumbest people in the entire world hang out. Where's all the guys? What I'm looking for is the guys that have like flying pigs in their avatar, or they have. What I'm looking for is the guys with the Wolf of Leonardo DiCaprio as the Wolf of as Jordan Belfort in their avatar. Man. Are all the idiot... Have they all blown up? Is every idiot short seller dead? They're not here. So I don't have my cheat codes. Where did they... Are they all blown up? Every last one of them? I can't find a single pig... Or Jordan Belfort, Leonardo DiCaprio? Short. They're all gone. So, possible dip and rip, though I don't like it. Because I need... It's a joke. This is a joke. So I need moron short sellers for this to dip and rip. And they are... ghosting me this AM. Where you at? So, it's a possible dip and rip, but I rate this rating of this as a deep and rip. You know, C+. Sorry. Sorry. I don't like it. So. Yeah, BB over yesterday's highs. Well done. So I already got the chart on BB. Yeah, we'd look for yesterday's highs on BB. SNDL. SNDL. Man, there goes NAOV. SNDL, same plan, over $1. I still like this over $1. That dang music's stuck in my head. NXTD. Yeah. Decent volume to float ratio. Spiked and failed in after hours. Spiked and failed in pre. Ugh. allow me to clean the vomit off of my keyboard. Not in love with it. I feel so. Listen, I'm in a great mood. So I love what I do. I'm in a great mood. Had a great morning. Nailed the morning routine. I'm ready to rock. But man, these charts, yikes! Not a fan of NXTD either. Late day only, I say. So, yuck on that chart. Late day only VWAP holds, in my opinion. All right, guys, I'm gonna run. Let me know in the comments, okay? So today was a little bit different, and when I say in the comments, if you can put it in the comments below the post, okay? So not in the chat, because I don't. It's hard for me to follow all the chats. Did you like spending a little more time on NAOV? Now, most days, I just say, it's this or it's this, and we move on. Spend a little more time on NAOV. Did you like that process? Did you? So if you're on YouTube, if you're on Instagram, again, comment on the post, because the chat, I can't follow all 5 chats. I've got my, Alex helps me out on the chats. Thank you, Alex. Shout out to my girl. But I don't see all the chats. There's too much going by. Let me know. Do you like that longer, little more in-depth? Have a great day. I will be back for the daily briefing at noon. And at T-Bone IG. Have a great day. Not in love with anything today, I admit. Kind of feels like what we call it that hangover day. We had a couple wild days, wild week. Wednesdays, I talk about that kind of U-shaped action, quote unquote action. So typically, and not always, but typically Wednesday is kind of that slower day when it comes to Mania. And we just had a couple wild days, a wild couple weeks. So wouldn't surprise me to maybe see things a little slower. So the point is, just check your boxes. Be sure before you put your money on the line. Are you trading because it's a good setup, or are you trading because you're bored, you want action, etc.? That's the other takeaway. So, all right. Have a great day. We'll see you at noon at TBOHEN on Instagram.